What's up, y'all? Good morning. So today is day 1. All right, y'all, I got these hooligans packed. I'm just kidding. All right, but we are packed. We are in the car. We ready to go. Finally, what time is it?
6:59.
6:59. So 30 minutes after schedule, but we're gonna make it. Okay, let's go. Just made it. Dropping my mom's car off. Everybody getting everything situated. Got the book bag, which is my carry-on. Got my little strap. Ready to go.
Are you excited?
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Where are we going, Kel?
Huh?
On the train.
I'm excited.
I'm grown and I'm mobile. I don't have no bag. See, I bring a book bag. I do this on a regular. Kelsey don't know nothing. Where we going, Kel?
Huh?
Where we going?
Chicago.
You got all the passes?
So we're in Chicago. I don't know.
Kel, we keep saying Chicago. We in Chicago. Yeah, the dog sniffed me. I had to get touched down. And these bags getting checked. They act like they ain't never been to the airport. Kel still don't know where we're going though. You never been on the plane?
I went to when I was on the plane.
Have you been on the plane?
Yes.
Oh.
We're not flying on the plane. We're riding the train, right?
Right. I don't know why I said the plane. I could tell her. I could tell her anything and she'll believe it now. I could tell. Mom, why don't you give Kel her boarding pass?
Okay, you want it?
Kel, you want your boarding pass?
Here, let's.
I need to be.
You won't give her. Where you going, Kat?
Duh. Hello. Are you excited, Kel?
I mean, I'm kind of like stunned.
We're about to take off. Well, we gotta get like a Lyft or Uber to the hotel.
Do not leave your luggage unattended at any time.
Alright. We just got our bags. Honestly, it went quicker than I thought it would be. We're in our ride share vehicle. We made it! We did it now! No, it's this way. Y'all, that ride was the most stressful ride I have ever been on, ever. Like, the fact that we got to do that again in a few days.
I didn't think we were going to make it.
First of all, he was recording on Snapchat, on Instagram. It was so stressful. We got a nice view at the same time though, y'all. We look real touristy. So we ate some wings for lunch, for dinner. Wings, fries, mac and cheese from this little joint off the street Wesley went to. And now us ladies are going to grab some desserts. We're off to Mia's Bakery for a croissant donut and a slice of cake. Y'all, traffic out here is crazy at all times. We got all these little joints. That's where we're staying. Little hot dog. A little cafe. That's something New York lacks. They don't have hospitality here, y'all. No hospitality. Rude as hell. These crosswalks ain't no joke, y'all. Y'all, Jimmy Fallon, The Tonight Show right there. Magnolia Bakery?
Yeah, that's it.
That is not it. It's called Mia Bakery. Mom trying to hurry up. You trying to make a quick little. Wow. Look at them. Taking pictures without me.
Which made the investigator wonder if Michelle was the beneficiary of John's $8 million life insurance policy.
Trying this harmless coconut water for the first time. But I have been liking coconut water. It's just coconut water. Who knew it was that color?
And never heard him crying like this. He was sobbing. And he said,
Ew. Ew. It is disgusting, but I'm going to drink it because coconut water good for you. This drink nasty. Come on. Right.
So is everyone kind of on the same page?
Yeah,
we gotta keep things like that.
I feel it.
We gonna be lit. We gonna be telling stories about the past. But hey, look, I know I ain't been around as long as you, but I still eat my back be hurting every day.